Hey gang, welcome back to Joe Daddy's Workshop. As you can see, I'm not out in the garage, I'm in my kitchen. See those paper towels? That's never a good sign. Neither is taking off the rear cover of your refrigerator and various other things to find out why you have a leak. Now this refrigerator is probably about 20 years old, and of course it fits back in the cubby space, and there's a water shut off up here, so that's nice. Nothing wrong with the line coming down to the back of the refrigerator, which, great, but that would be an easier fix than what I'm dealing with right now. So you might see here that I have some tubing. I hope this is the right stuff. I'm going to find out. I'm going to cut into it and find out. This is 3/16 ID, 5/16 OD. I don't need 20 feet, but they don't sell it any shorter. I also have SharkBite 5/16 OD, two of those, and I have some PVC cutter. I'm going to be cutting the tube that is feeding the water supply to the ice maker, and also the exterior, water where you can get, put your cup in and get water. So again, I've removed the rear cover off of the refrigerator, and what I need to address, I'll show you in just a second, is this water leak. Okay, so what I run into. If you look at these lines, this is the feed line coming from the valve up on the wall. Feeds into the switching mechanism. There are two lines that come out. I don't know what those do, but there's another line, if I can point to it, this line right here. That's the problem. It comes down, makes a sharp turn, and comes back up. Well, we started hearing a noise, and found out basically that line has a crack at the very bottom of it. So I know this is a tight space. It's going to be hard to film most of this, but my plan is to cut that line, maybe on more of the straight section, get the bad part cut out, and hopefully these connectors are the right size and I can slip them up on, and then I'll take a length of tube and I can actually stretch it out. I don't have to have a tight turn. I guess I could, but I'm going to try to stretch it out and see if I can make it work. Now, of course, the challenge is getting around these other lines, because I don't feel like I can take this apart, So I'm going to try to cut this. I might have to use a different pair of cutters because these are kind of bulky. And these are too big. I'll have to get something smaller. I may have to just cut them with I don't know yet, just a pair of side cutters or something. Okay, let me try this again. I'm going for the blasting cap now. There's that side. Cut. Now, if I can get to the other side. They don't make a lot of room in these. Or at least a lot of room for you to fix things. Okay. I can show you the edge of this. Now, I don't know if that's too much light, but basically, there's the problem. It was just cracked. In fact, there's a bunch of cracks in it. Look at that. I can flex it a little more. Get that one to break. Yep. So, definitely wasn't lasting. About 20 years, hey. Okay. Let me see. In fact, let me just try this. Because I've not used these little SharkBite things. Actually, I think I did, but it was on a larger line. So I'm just curious. I don't want to force this in there yet. But if this will fit, it's kind of loose. I think it'll take it though. So once these go together, I don't think you can get them back apart. At least that's the rumor. So it'll fit around it. Now the tubing that I have, it fits a lot more snug. Guess there's only one way to find out, right? Like Bill Engvall says, there's only one way to test a shark suit. So what I'm going to do is try to press this up on this first one. Yeah, okay. That looks like it's going to stay, actually. Then I'll take the second one. If I can find the other tail. Now I know probably ideally I should replace the whole line, but I don't even know how to get it out of here. You know? It is what it is at the moment. So I need to get onto that one. And I think I cut it high enough on the tube that I'm past any of the bad stuff. So, see if I can't press that up on better. There we go. Okay. So now you maybe see I've got the first fitting on this side, the other fitting on the other side. And I'm sorry if this is drawn out. I have not tried this before. You know, kind of a new thing for me. So what I want to do is create a loop that'll allow the tubing to come down, kind of back, make a loop, and then come back up. So, I mean, I could probably go straight, and I don't know if there's an advantage, you know, if I put pressure on it at an angle, if that would make it worse. But maybe I can just kind of make a longer loop that way. Let me cut off a piece of this and see what happens. So, again, take space. There it goes. Took a little more pressure to push that up in there. Okay. Again, I'm trying here. Not a lot of room. Doesn't help I can't see it either. That might actually be good. It took longer than I hoped. Let's see what happens. I don't see any water. All right. I mean, I see some water from when it had leaked before. Okay. I don't see any leaks. Very good. Well, that went better than I expected. All right. All right. As far as I'm concerned, it's fixed. So I looked at other videos to see if there was a similar repair like this. I didn't see any. Maybe it's just not that common. I don't know. I've seen other ones where they replace the line coming from the water outlet to the refrigerator. I didn't see any where they went internal to the refrigerator itself. And I'm not even going to try to get that tube out of there, that real long tube that goes all the way up and in. So anyway, maybe this will help you with your project. Maybe not, but at least you have an idea of how you could fix yours. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourselves. See ya.